Hello, wonderful students. Today we are going to take all these 3D forms that we've been learning how to draw, and now we're going to put them into one picture where they are overlapping each other. So here we've already learned how to make the cylinder, the sphere, and the cube, and the pyramid. But what if they were all together having a 3D form party? We want to capture that happiness right here. Yes, a lot of form shading happiness right there. So we're going to draw. This is what we're trying to draw today. It's going to take us probably a couple classes, so let's get started. I'm going to go to the line tool, and I am going to be using Sketchpad app, and I'm going to use the line tool, and I'm going to start with a horizon line or a horizontal line across from left to right, and then I'm going to finish editing. Good. All right. So I'm going to start with the cylinder on the left side. So we just did that yesterday. I'm going to go one vertical line and finish editing. And then I'm actually going to just copy, click on it, copy, and paste, and then move it. A little less work that you have to do. There you go. And then I am going to go back to my tools and go to pencil, and I'm going to click off of here, go back to my pencil, there we go, and I'm going to start with that ellipse on the top. That's kind of janky, so let's try that again. Very challenging to draw on the trackpad, and I'm going to do the curve on the bottom, which is fine, just fine. We are not looking for perfection here. We are looking to just learn, get started. So I'm going to go back to my paintbrush and get rid of this this line so it doesn't look transparent. All right, good enough. Okay, that means you can see through it. I do not want it to. I want it to be opaque, where you can't see through it. And I'm going to go to my paintbrush again, and I'm going to start making, I'm not going to worry about the shading right off. I'm going to go and do the line work first. So then I'm going to go to, not my paintbrush, but I want to go back to my pencil. Now you can use the shape tool if you like and go ahead and just make a circle. I'm going to do that just for time's sake. Oh, and I'm not going to have it filled. So I'm going to turn that off. And I'm going to make, let's see, let's check our guide. Yep, a circle right there at the bottom of the cylinder. And here we go. And I can make it and then just move it. So I made it, and I can put it wherever I like. Right there, kind of overlapping. And then I want to make my square. And I actually am going to start with, just for time's sake, I'm going to go and choose this the square, where are we? Square right at the top. Oh, undo. I got to set there. Okay, now I need a tool again, and I'm going to choose the square. All right, and make it a little bigger than the sphere. I'm going to have it right in front of it. Yes, right in front of it. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to rotate it just slightly so it's a little more head-on. There we go. I've got my kind of placement of that, and then but I'm going to do the sides before I move on to the pyramid, so I know where to put the pyramid lines. So I'm going to go back to my tools, go back to the pencil, go back to line, and I'm going to go, oh, wrong line. I have to undo that and dismiss. And this video is about to end. It'll be part 1. Then I am going to go to my line, and go back to black, and go, there we go. Now I have one diagonal coming from there, and my horizontal